Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you a really good alternative algorithm I found out for the A Perm. So it's the A Perm where you have two headlights at the back and the bar over here. And what you would usually do is that variant, but what I find is that it's like not really fingershake friendly. And it's hard to do OH, so an alternative algorithm that I found for this, here's the same case, is you hold it like this, and you do with two layers the T-perm. So every time there's an R in the T-perm, you do it with two layers, and it ends up looking a lot more fluid. I'll have the algorithm up on the screen. And it could eventually be faster.